Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pradeep Kumar Mondal, Consultant Medical Oncologist, Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Howrah. Today I will discuss in brief about the impact of present coronavirus pandemic on cancer patients. Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID 2019 caused by SARS coronavirus 2 is a novel coronavirus first detected in Wuhan, China in December 2019. This coronavirus is a flu-like virus affecting your lungs and airways, causing fever, cough and shortness of breath. The alarming incremental trend of this novel coronavirus has made the whole world in lockdown mode. The infected individual would be taken care separately with facilitated isolation to limit the exposure of people like cancer patients who may be at high risk of getting sick. How serious is the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID 2019 for cancer patients? If you ask me this question, then I will tell you that the immune system protects the body against illness and infection caused by viruses like coronavirus. Due to malignancy and anti-cancer treatment such as chemotherapy, targeted therapy and immunotherapy, some cancerous patients show inadequate immunity to fight against these viral infections like COVID 2019. So, what should a cancer patient do under this epidemic situation? So, whoever is recently detected as cancer, they must continue their further investigations like biopsy, CT scans and other investigations. We can't delay in starting anti-cancer therapy for rapidly progressive cancers like blood cancer, lymphoma and other curative early stage cancers. But we can switch from intravenous chemotherapy to oral drugs if possible. We can also delay therapy for those who are planned for palliative chemotherapy and asymptomatic at present. So what will be our advices for cancer patients who are planned for surgical treatment? So in consultation with oncologist, elective surgeries can be rescheduled if possible and advised to continue oral chemotherapy or other therapy in the meantime and to continue other necessary supportive care also. So we can delay the elective surgical procedures if possible. So what will be our advices for our stem cell transplant eligible patients? So scheduled stem cell transplantation can be reasonably delayed where the disease is controlled with conventional treatment. And visitors meet with the post-transplant patients must be restricted and possibly screened for symptoms and potential exposure. So what will be our advices to cancer patients who are on follow-up? So regular follow-up visit to hospital can be avoided. Instead, patients can consult with their cancer specialist over phone or other electronic communication modes like video chats. So what will be the general and important advices to our cancer patients, cancer survivors and their caregivers? So that will be a proper hand hygiene should be maintained. So washing your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or using hand sanitizer which contains 60% or more alcohol until you can wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth without washing your hands first. Cover your nose and mouth when you cough or sneeze. If you use a tissue, put it in the garbage right away. If you do not have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your elbow crease. Avoid close contact with people. Keep more than 1 meter distance between you and others. And avoid crowded spaces, especially indoors, like cinema halls, malls, etc., crowded bazaars should be avoided. Avoid contact with anyone who is ill with a cough, fever, or difficulty in breathing. Masks should be used if you are sick to prevent transmission to others. What are the extra protection for cancer patients? Especially in hospitals, we should not allow visitors not more than two individuals in a well ventilated rooms or outdoors. Ask the visitors to wash their hands properly. Ask the visitors to always maintain the distance of at least 2 meters from you with no physical contact. Keep physically active if possible. We at the Cancer Support Community are here to remind you that you are not alone. We are into the fight against coronavirus and to beat cancer together. Wishing my all cancer fighters a speedy and steady recovery. Thank you.